Hello guys, how are you? Welcome again to the another tutorial of the C programming for absolute beginners. In previous tutorial, we have discussed a lot of category of the functions. Okay, so in today's tutorial, we have discussed the no argument but returns a value. No argument but returns a value. This is the category fourth category, the functions with no arguments but return a value. In this category, we have discussed several programs. So it is better for you to understand or to relate this topic. Okay. So this there could be occasions where we may need to design functions that may not take any arguments but returns a value to the calling function. So there is a one-way data transfer also. Okay, one-way data transfer. In this case, we are does not passing any type of arguments. It means that the called function and the calling function. Okay, so there returns a value to the calling function. There returns a value to the calling function. A typical example is a getChr function is declared in this header. You also known that the getChr function is used to take a single character in from the user. We use the getChr function. Okay, the getChr function has no parameter, but it returns an integer type data that represent a character. Sorry, that the getChr function has no parameters, but it returns an integer type data that represents a character. Okay, so I can show you one simple program, so it is better for you to relate this. Okay, at first the preprocessor directives, then the preprocessor command, and then the header file stdio.h standard input output function, which header file contains all type of standard input output functions including all type of printf, scanf, getchr, putchr, this type of input output standard input output function. After that, I declare the function declaration. Function declaration, or you can say function prototype. Okay, after that, the main function, this is a system declare user defined function, we also know that. Then I declaring a variable, integer variable, and then again, so you know that this is the function definition. This is function definition. This is the scanf function to taking the data from the user. So this is the format specifier and the address operator. So this is a simple program. Okay, I have analyzed this program. The function prototype, the function declaration, the function call. Okay, when the function call get data, the flow of control of this function go to the function definition. When you call a function, okay, যখন তুমি একটা ফাংশনকে কল করো তার কন্ট্রোলটা কোথায় যায়? তার কন্ট্রোলটা যায় ফাংশন ডেফিনেশনে। ওকে, আই হোপ ইউ আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড। যখন তুমি যে কোনো একটা ফাংশনকে কল করো তার ফ্লো অফ কন্ট্রোলটা যায় তার ডেফিনেশনে। কোথায় তার ডেফিনেশন? এখানে তার ডেফিনেশন গেল। আমি কোনো ডেটা পাস করছি, আমি কোনো আর্গুমেন্ট পাস করছি না, ওকে, বাট একটা রিটার্ন টাইপ আছে। তো পাস হলো, ফ্লো অফ কন্ট্রোল এলো, ফাংশনের মধ্যে এন্টার করলো, নাম একটা ভেরিয়েবল আমি ডিক্লেয়ার করলাম, তারপর থ্রু দ্য স্ক্যানএফ আই টেকিং দ্য ডেটা ফ্রম দ্য ইউজার অ্যান্ড দেন I then I return the data to the main function. Okay, suppose if you compile and run this program, suppose 45, the data is 45. Okay, I hope you understand. You see the data equal to 45. I give the data 45, the data is printed in the main function 40. So this is a simple program to understand what is no arguments but return a value. Okay, and the next type is so I does not expand this video. In the next tutorial we will learn the last but not the least function that return multiple values. Okay, thank you to all of you. Please subscribe this channel. Thank you.